Well, it seems like the feds them finally calling Sean Kingston, because rapper Sean Kingston has been officially indicted on $1 million fraud scheme in the United States by the feds. Greetings, and salutations, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican festival right over here, People's TV. If it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button. I want you to build up the Rastaman panel as Sean Kingston and his mother has officially been indicted by the feds. Your organ team, me not talk about just lock up, me not talk about indicted on federal charge of committing more than 1 million worth of fraud. Kingston is 34. His mother is 61-year-old. Janice Turner made her first appearance Friday, July 19 in federal court according to court's record. Imagine that. This year youth now have him mother in a such a situation, or his mother have him in a such a situation because Mama Kingston should have known better. Sean Kingston should have known better. Imagine, it seems like him went to Jamaica to become the top scammer. A Miami Garden grand jury returned an indictment early this month accusing Kingston and his mother of participating in a scheme to defraud victims of high-end, specialty vehicles, jewelry, and goods through a fraudulent documentation. Kingston was booked into the Broward County Jail, similar charges last month following the arrest. May 23 at Fort Irwin, an Army base in California, Mojave Desert, where he was performing. Turner was arrested the same day of her son when SWAT team raided the mansion that was rented in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. According to federal indictment, Kingston and Turner falsely claimed that they had exclusive bank wired on the matters. Payment transfer of high-end items when no such transfer were taking place. Investigators said Kingston and Turner then kept over $1 million worth of fraudulently purchased items despite not paying for them. The warrant for the state charge says that October to March, they stole almost $500,000 of jewelry and more than $200,000 from Bank of America, $160,000 from Cadillac Escalade dealer, and more than $100,000 from First Republic Bank, $86,000 from the maker of custom bed. Robert Robbins-Blatt, an attorney for Kingston and his mother, did not immediately respond to the message seeking comment from the Associated Press. He previously said that looking forward addressing charges and were confident that they would be successfully resolved. Kingston, whose legal name is Keyshawn Anderson, was already serving 2-year probation sentence for trafficking stolen property. His mother pled guilty in 2006 on a bank fraud, stealing over $160,000 and serving nearly 1.5 years in prison, according to federal records. Them nah learn, people. Them nah learn. Either them can't learn or them nah learn. Sean Kingston, Keyshawn Anderson, and his mother. It is unbelievable. Big name. You know the tune, You're So Beautiful. I saw the prison them I go say to him and his mother when them start deal with them. Imagine over $1 million in fraudulent transaction from banks, car dealers, and high-end high-end bed makers and furniture makers and jewelry stores. They were living the life, but I guess they've never realized that there is a price to pay. You can't, they are foreign. The land of borrowing and things say, Sean Kingston, you gotta rip off the people them for over $1 million. The feds grab him and right now, him and his mother has been indicted officially by the federal grand jury in Miami to face charges of $1 million fraud. Say it ain't so, Sean. Say it ain't so. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if them just I live high off of the hog, or they just trying to keep up with the Jones. Them go a bank and take out fraudulent loans. Them go a car dealer and say them a go wire money and no money no come. Them go a jewelry store and said the same. Bed makers, high end. All the mansion was being rented. Leave your comment on this one. Let me know if Sean a go take off weight. If him really know him fate. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV, reporting live. Rapper Sean Kingston and his mother, Mrs. Turner, has been officially indicted by the federal grand jury in Miami on $1 million fraud charge.
Yeah, this is Everton Blend. I'm mentioning out the Deep Roots TV. Everton Blend. Up. Lift up your head and go deep to We know that we win the blood. Deep Roots TV. Oh, Sean.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
Deep Roots TV.
TV.
Real
Deep
TV.
Root TV. Big up yourself.